Hello guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can import your file into the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so to begin with, you go to your left-hand side, you will see databases. Okay, so you just click on databases and you right click it. When you right click it, you'll see new database. So you click on new database. So it will bring you to this point where you have database name. You can see over here, database name. So you just write the database name that you want. Okay, so let's say we want to name our database as projects. Okay. Okay, so once you're done with the database name, you just come over here and click on OK. Okay, so when you come over here, you'll see that when you have these databases, under you'll see the new database that we just created called project. So you just right click on the new database and you will locate tags. You just click on the tags and then you come over here and search for import data. Okay, so once you finish clicking on the tags, head on to this side and check for import data. So you just click on import data. So it will bring you to this point where we have a wizard. Okay, it says welcome to SQL Server import and export wizard. So you just click on next. Okay, to take you to this point where you need to choose a data source. Okay, so what is the data source that you are trying to locate? Okay, so data source that I'm trying to search for is a CSV file. Okay, where we have the partial and POSI database. Okay, so you just click on this drop down and you check for a CSV file is a flat file source. Okay, so you look for a flat file source. You just click on the flat file source. Okay, once you've done that, you have to bring it to this point where you need to write the file name. Okay, where the file is located in your file explorer. So you just click on browse. Once you click on browse, okay, then you search for your. Okay, let me go again so that you can pick up. Okay, so this is where we have browse. You just click on browse here where we have the file name. You just click on the browse to take you to your file explorer where you search for your file. Okay, so the name of the file is patch and posi. So just type patch and posi. Okay, we have it over here, patch and posi CSV. You just click on it and then you set this point to all files. Okay, where you have this text file, just click all files there over there. So just click on open. When you're done with that, just open it. So once you open it, you can notice that the file, this is the file name, the file directory is over here, where the file is located. Look at it over here, where we have C users, HP, desktop, patch, and POSI CSV. So you head on to where you have next. Just click on next. It will take you to this point. Choose a data source, select the source from which to copy. Okay. So this is a preview of the tables in your files. Okay. So we can just click on next. Okay. So this point takes us to choose a destination. Okay. So where do you want to install this CSV file into? Okay. So we are going to search where we are going to import it into. Okay. So you scroll down, you'll see just scroll down, you'll see Microsoft Ole DB provider for SQL Server. So just click on that. Where we have the Microsoft Ole DB provider for SQL Server. Okay, so that's the destination of the server we're working on. This is the destinations. Okay, so you can see your server name is already there by default, and your database name is already there by default. So we just click on next. Okay, so once you're there, it says select source tables and views. Okay, so look at your data over here, patch and POSI. So we just have to click on next. Okay, save and run packages. Okay, the run immediately is already ticked. So we move on to click on next, or you click on finish. So let's just click on finish. Okay, so you just click on finish again. You can see the execution was successful. You successfully imported your file into the server. Okay, so you just click on close. So when you come over here, look at your database here, project. So you just click on project. When you click to the table, you just open the table. You can see over here the table is already DBO, patch, and POSI. Okay, so so that is it. So when you want to run a query, let's say a new query, you just come over here, click on new query. When you click on new query, you can come here and search for the database that you want to use. Okay, so if you want to use project, just set it as project, and then you start writing your query over here. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.